How to view your upvoted posts on Reddit. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the Reddit application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon on the top right of your screen and then scroll down and you will see the history option. Tap on that and in the interface that you will be led to, tap on the recent drop down and you will see various options, that is upvoted, downvoted, and hidden. So in order to view the upvoted post, tap on the upvoted option and now in the interface that you will be led to, you will be able to view all your upvoted posts. You can simply tap on the vote option you see there if you want to downvote it. So this is how you can view your upvoted posts on Reddit. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.